In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Google Docs. If you want your text to appear neatly in the middle of the page from left to right, Google Docs makes that very easy. Center alignment is often used for titles, headings, invitations, and other text you want it to stand out visually. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Google Doc and locate the text you want to center. The first thing you need to do is highlight that text. Click and drag your cursor across the words, sentence, or paragraph you want to adjust. This is important because Google Docs will only apply the formatting change to the text you've selected. If nothing is highlighted, the change may only affect what you type next instead of the text already on the page. Once your text is selected, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the document. This is where you'll find many of the formatting controls used to change the appearance of your content. Look for the Align button. It usually appears as a group of horizontal lines and gives you different options for how your text is positioned on the page. Go ahead and click the Align button. A small menu will appear with alignment choices such as left, center, right, and sometimes justified. These options control how the text lines up between the page margins. Left align is the default in most documents, but for this task, you'll want to choose the center option. From that menu, select Center Align. As soon as you click it, the highlighted text will shift into the center of the page. That means it will now be evenly positioned between the left and right margins, giving it a more balanced and polished look. This is especially useful when formatting a document title or creating a cleaner visual layout. And that's it. Your text is now centered in Google Docs. As a quick tip, if the result doesn't look the way you expected, make sure you selected the correct text before choosing the alignment option. Also, remember that center alignment changes horizontal positioning only, not vertical placement on the page. So if you're trying to move text higher or lower, that would involve different formatting tools. Now, you know how to center text quickly and confidently in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.